Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to allow microphone access on Samsung. So if you want any app to have access to your microphone, let me show you. So the first thing is open up your settings and you need to scroll down to the bottom and click on apps. Once you click on it, click on these three dots at the top right here. After that, click on permission manager. Once you click on it, look for microphone right here. So now, right here at the bottom, you're going to see the apps that doesn't have access to your microphone. So you can now look for the app right here. So click on the app and click on allow only this time. So you're going to see different options. It can also be allow every time. So you can just allow it or just set it to ask every time. It's going to ask for your permission before using your microphone. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe.